morning, everyone, and welcome back to beautiful Jack London State Park. Today, we're continuing our mindful journey into nature and the stories and lessons that it has to offer us by exploring our next native plant, Manzanita. Manzanita translates into little apple, and this name was given to the plant by Spanish priests in early California due to the resemblance the berries have to the well-known fruit. It's found throughout the western United States, and there are a little over 100 species of this plant around today. California is home to 95 of them, giving our state the distinction of being the heart of the world's Manzanita diversity. This amazing plant is extraordinarily adaptable, and it can live in poor soils with very little water. You can recognize them by their trademark smooth, thin bark, which can be anywhere from a deep orange to a dark maroon, like the ones we have here in our park. They also have thick, leathery leaves that help them to retain moisture even in the hottest environments. And a really smart adaptive trick that Manzanita has developed is to turn the thin edge of its leaf toward the sun, rather than exposing the broad flat surface like most plants do. This further reduces the drying effects of direct sunlight. A great example of Manzanita adapting and adjusting to thrive in a challenging condition. Manzanita has 1,000 stories to tell, like how it provides food and shelter to a huge number of animals, including bear, deer, coyote, insects, birds, and even humans. Everyone likes this plant. The berries are a rich source of potassium and other minerals, vitamin C, and carbohydrates. And the sweet urn-shaped flowers provide critical nectar to hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees deep into the winter months, when most flowering plants are partially dormant. But perhaps one of the most interesting stories to me involves this gorgeous tapestry of living red and silvery dead tissues entwined together on almost all older manzanitas. It's not totally known why this tissue death occurs, but some scientists speculate that the plants may be sacrificing parts of themselves during extreme droughts, so that the remaining parts can live on and thrive, reproducing and growing for up to 200 years or more. But rather than shedding the dead tissue, it becomes beautifully integrated with the whole, with the dead wood actually providing shelter to insects of all kinds, which then attracts birds of all kinds that depend on those insects for survival. With boldness and grace, Manzanita blends these two seemingly opposing aspects of itself into a beautiful, multi-textured whole that supports the life and ecosystems that it thrives in. Thank you for watching today, and please like and subscribe. See you next time.